my channel and Radha online classes. Today I am with you with class 7, the same chapter, that is lines and angles. We were discussing about the related angles. In that we were discussing one by one all that. We have already discussed what? Complementary angles, supplementary angles and adjacent angles. Okay, now we are at linear pair. Now linear pair, what is linear pair? Linear means straight, you can say. A pair of adjacent angle, how you define it? A pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays, means it is a pair of adjacent angle, right? It is a pair of adjacent angle, but what is required here? That the uncommon sides are opposite rays. Opposite rays कब होंगी? किस केस में opposite rays होंगी? इसी केस में होंगी. Okay, this one and this one is opposite from this point. So the condition is what? The opposite ray must be the non-common or uncommon sides must be the opposite rays. ये दोनों के दोनों एक दूसरे से opposite होनी चाहिए, right? One common arm and the non-common arms are opposite rays, are opposite to each other, yeah, or opposite rays. Now one more thing you have to keep in mind, a pair of supplementary angles, okay? Pair of supplementary angle. Pair of supplementary angle means supplementary angle you have read, sum of measure of their angles must be equal to what? 180 degree. So दो angles का sum जो होता है that must be 180 degree, then only that two angles are supplementary angle. Okay? Now what we have to keep in mind, a pair of supplementary angles. Two supplementary angles are linear pair. When placed adjacent to each other, जब उनको हम adjacent way में एक दूसरे के सामने रखें, जैसे 40 is one angle and 140 is another angle. अगर हमने उसको adjacent way, I told you in this also, this is now this become the adjacent. Okay, इसको हमने ऐसे रखा तो if I'll keep it like this, then that is not a linear pair. But if I am keeping it like this, एकदम straight आप ऐसे करेंगे and this one, then see this is then it is what it will become. इसमें अच्छे से हो नहीं रहा है. If you see in other book also you can see like this. Okay, like this. This is a straight line और ये हो गया इसका common arm. Okay, means like this you can understand. This one is common, this is uncommon arm. ये 40 degree है, 140 degree है. इन दोनों का sum कितना होता है? That is 180 degree. Means supplementary angles को जब adjacent way में रखते हैं, then that is also forming a linear pair. So here also you can see one question is given. Are angle 1 and angle 2 a linear pair? Angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Let us see. Angle 1 and angle 2. Okay, this is the common arm. This is the vertex. Okay, means it is following the rule of adjacent angle. These two are adjacent angle, right? Now, the non-common sides are opposite rays. Dekho, this one and this one. These two are opposite rays. That means it is following the rule of this. So, this is a linear pair, right? Now see the next one part. Angle 1 and angle 2. They are having common arm. Okay. They are having common vertex. Okay. The non-common arm, क्या opposite rays हैं? नहीं. If it will be this side, then only that these two are opposite rays. So this is not following this rule that non-common sides are opposite rays. So this is not a linear pair. Right, children? Yes, children, we are at now the fifth related angle is vertically opposite angles. Okay, a pair of two angles are said to be vertically opposite angles when, जैसे हमने दो एक lines ली. Okay, we must have two intersecting lines for that. I have taken this line and this line. ये दोनों के दोनों एक दूसरे को cut कर रहे हैं. That is why we are calling it intersecting lines. When two lines cut each other, then that are intersecting lines. So these two lines are, let us take this is L, this is M. L and M are intersecting lines. Okay, and this is what? The center. This is what? O. O मान लिया. Okay, this and this intersect at O. Now, how many angles are forming? Let us see. Angle 1, angle, let us write in a sequence, 2, angle 3 and angle 4. These 4 angles are forming. So, how many angles we got here? The total number of angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Right? This is the total number of angles. Now, what are vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angle मतलब just एक दूसरे के आगे पीछे. Like this one angle and this one angle. Okay? Two intersecting lines. Vertex. इस साइड जो एंगल है इसका वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल कौन सा होगा? इसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट में जो एंगल है दैट इज दिस वन. ओके, सो वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल का पेयर क्या होगा? एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. One more thing is important in this. See, when two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. Means angle 1 and angle 3. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. That is why these both are equal. Now see the other pair. See angle 2. Angle 2 का ऑपोजिट क्या है? इसके जस्ट पीछे क्या है? दैट इज एंगल 4. एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4. सो वी आर हैविंग हियर व्हाट? टू पेयर ऑफ वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. ये बेटा वैसे भी इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लास 8, 9. दिस इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स मेनली क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दैट. सो just remember this thing. When two lines intersect each other, so whatever angle they are forming to their opposite, that is known as vertically opposite angles. Okay, and always keep in mind vertically opposite angles are equal in measurement. Okay, so let us come to the next topic. So children, I am with one question in front of you. It is written, find pairs of. Okay, I have drawn one figure. In this you have to find out what are the pairs of vertically opposite angle and what are the pairs of linear pair. One more thing I just want to tell you. Vertically opposite angle अभी आपने पढ़ा ना. Vertically opposite angle में क्या एक चीज important होती है? Like these two are intersecting lines. So this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. One thing is important कि these two are equal, that I told you, and this is, it is also forming two adjacent angles, and that is their sum. इन दोनों का जो sum होगा that is linear pair. Right? This you just keep in mind क्योंकि आगे जाके कुछ questions में ये आएगा. Okay, so let us see the first one question. What they have asked, find the pairs of vertically opposite angle. Now just find out pair of vertically opposite angle. देखते हैं vertically opposite angle. This line and this line. These are intersecting lines. Okay, let us name it L, or this is M. L and M are intersecting lines at this point, right? Now, which two angles are linear, that vertically opposite angle? See, this one angle and this one angle means angle 1 is equal to angle 4, right? This is vertically opposite angle. This one and what? This and complete this means angle 5 equals to angle 2 plus angle 3. You have to write like this. Means this one and this pole and this pole, right? So these are the two pairs of vertically opposite angle. Now come at linear pair. Now tell me linear pair. Linear pair means one common this and two adjacent angle whose sum is what? 180 degree. Simple. 1 and 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Why? Because angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to what? 180 degree. Right? उसके बाद देखेंगे पेयर है. दिस इज we can say this is for second is 4 and 3, 4, angle 4, और दूसरा क्या होगा angle 2 and 3 को जब हम add करेंगे then only, otherwise no. When we are adding these two, then we are getting this and this two linear pairs. And any other, yes, we can see a line M में एंगल 1 ले सकते हैं, एंगल 2 plus 3 ले सकते हैं, और एंगल 1 plus 2 and 3. These are linear pairs. As we are writing pair, so it is combination of two. That is why I have written that as a 1, right? This one and this combination. So children, I think that till this much it is clear to you. Now मिलते हैं अपने next video में. There I'll discuss with you the exercise based on all these related angles. That is very important. So be with me in my next video. Subscribe it as well as share it. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.